What's going on, YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So today's video, what are we going to be talking about?
We're going to be talking about why you should have the global shipping program.
Sorry guys, Christina has the hiccups. Maybe I might have to do a lot of the talking, but we're going to talk about the global shipping program and how... Okay, so now... Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do a lot of thrifting, retail arbitrage, a lot of selling on eBay. So check out all of our videos, over like 140 videos for you guys to check out. We've been hustling, grinding. So today we're going to be talking about the global shipping program, and it's something that we knew about, but we didn't really use it, and then we were told not to use it, and then we lost out some money. So Christina's got a whole video pretty much planned for you guys, so enjoy.
Yes, so we did have the global... Oh. We did have the global shipping program turned on when we first started eBay, and we had one mug go to it.
Ah!
Oh god!
Ah! Ah!
I hope it scared them away, I don't know. Anyways, we sent out a mug and it went through the global shipping program, which was nice because it went to the warehouse in Kentucky and then it went wherever it was going after that. But then we got a tip to have it turned off, so we turned it off because I guess it looks better for buyers if it's turned off because it's less expensive. So we turned it off and then we got screwed.
Yeah.
Screwed over $65.60 and shipping 3 items. So this is why we are making a video today to show you why you should have it turned on. Because it does save you, the seller, money in the long run. And it's better for you, the seller, and the buyer with going through the global shipping program because there's tracking on both ends and just stuff, so it's better protection. So this is right off of eBay's webpage, the global shipping program. We'll leave a link in the description for you guys. But how it works is the global shipping program takes the complex...
Really, bud?
Alright, so how it works is the global shipping program takes the complexity out of shipping internationally, bringing your business to markets around the world. When you sign up for the GSP and an eligible item sells abroad, simply ship it to eBay's global shipping center in Kentucky, and the program takes care of every step until that item reaches its buyer. So in our words, basically, you send out your item that ships internationally to the little warehouse in Kentucky, and then eBay sends it out from there to the buyer, and you don't have to pay for the international rates, you only have to pay for the domestic shipping rates, so that's really nice. Yeah,
so that's where we can start saving money.
Yes.
Because that's where we lost all of the money.
Yes. But anyways, on the rest of this page, we're gonna go through why it makes sense, the eligibility, and why buyers and why we love it. So why the global shipping program makes sense. The key benefits that eBay lists is that it's end-to-end tracking, keep an eye on your item all the way to your buyer's front door, which is really nice because a lot of the times with customs and when it goes international, you don't get the tracking after it leaves America. So you only know like once it's delivered. So if it never gets delivered, you never really know what happened. So that's really nice that you get the tracking from your door to the buyer's door. You get a 5-star shipping and handling rate when you provide free shipping to the global shipping center. So I guess we wouldn't qualify for that because we have a standard rate of $5.99, but if you have it listed as free shipping, you get a 5-star shipping and handling rating.
Oh, okay.
Whatever that means. You get 5-star shipping time rating when you ship this with same day or 1-day handling. So I actually think in feedback you have different categories that sellers can leave for you, and I think you automatically just get a 5-star one if you have this stuff set up. So with that one, because we have the 1-day handling time, we'd get automatic 5-star rating for that. So that's cool. And then this next one, which is pretty nice, is negative or neutral feedback protection if the item is lost or damaged in transit. So if anything were to happen to it, it's not your fault anymore, basically. It's not eBay's fault either, really, but they take the blame for it. They don't let any negative feedback come to towards your account
nice.
or anything. So that's cool. And then second, we have eligibility, which right here they have a list. The item must be physically located in the United States. So you have to be here in America. The item must be listed for sale on eBay.com, which makes sense. The item must be listed in a category supported by the program. See restricted categories. Cut that out.
Okay.
So basically your category or your listing just has to fall into some category guidelines, which it must be pretty broad because we've never come across like a listing. Like all of our 309 listings are eligible for the global shipping program. So it's got to be a pretty big category. PayPal must be the only accepted payment method. Okay, so that's another one. I guess they're offering new Google Pay or something. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I don't know if you can't do the global shipping program yet, if you have that opted in or if you have that picked, because eBay's just starting that, I know, and I think they're trying to get away from PayPal, so I'm sure that'll change soon. And then the delivery address must be a residence or street address, so it can't be a P.O. box.
Oh, okay.
The item and packaging must be within the size and weight limits, so you can check that out, but those are pretty standard. Alright, so just so we can show you guys some of the size and weight limits, it breaks it down by country and the maximum weight in pounds, the maximum length in inches, and then the maximum dim weight. We're not really sure what that means, but just don't go past that, I guess, in any aspect. So that's just some here. Like for Canada, I guess that's a cool one. The maximum weight is 150 pounds. You can send a pretty big item, whereas like China, it's only 66 pounds. So finally, why buyers love it and why we love it. So right on their page though, they do say buyers love the protection that the global shipping program offers, including end-to-end tracking and no surprise fees on delivery. Which that's cool. We haven't had any surprise fees on delivery yet, but hopefully that never happens now that we have it turned back on. But another perk is that thanks to the global shipping program, buyers around the world can find exactly what they want or discover something new that's not available locally. So that's a really cool perk. But another reason why we love it is it's cheaper. It's a lot cheaper for us to do. So
a lot cheaper on shipping.
Yes, and that was honestly, seeing the international shipping rates blew my mind. That somebody could have to pay or would pay like $50 to $60 to get something shipped to them. I was shocked.
That's
so
crazy.
I don't know. But what we did find here under why buyers love it is what buyers see, which is pretty interesting because we didn't really know how it worked. We kind of just were like, well, we only pay the domestic shipping rate. Like, how does eBay send this out for free, you know? But what actually happens is they get charged an international and domestic shipping plus import charges. So that's where eBay not makes money, but basically gets paid for doing that, you know, because I did not understand how eBay could do that for free, you know. I was like, there's no way. But that's how we figured it out, which is cool to see what the buyers see too, so you can see how our listing would look if somebody was buying it internationally. But yeah, so definitely being cheaper is a big thing for us because we have lost out on $65.60 now in shipping, which is so sad to think about, that there's only 3 items that we lost that much money out on.
That's wild.
But we ended up figuring out why. We called eBay yesterday, and the way we had our shipping policies, our shipping business policies set up, they had 2 options for the buyers. They could either pick the global shipping program or our $9.99 international shipping flat rate. So obviously they were gonna pick that, which we did end up getting $9.99 for the shipping, but the items that sold were like a $2 mug, and the $9.99 didn't really help that much towards the shipping rate for us. So definitely losing out on the $65 and realizing that we had 2 options on was such like a slap in the face, because we were so confused as to why it wasn't working, because we had the global shipping program enrolled on all of our listings, and it was just mind-blowing to see that they had 2 options to pick and everyone was picking the $9.99 one.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's why you should definitely have the global shipping program turned on so you don't get racked with those surprise fees and you get end-to-end tracking, which is nice.
So that was our video pretty much on the global shipping program and how we lost out on $60+ doing it, without doing it actually I should say.
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn it on. We suggest that you guys turn it on too. Kristina did a great job, so guys smash that like button for Kristina. She did an awesome job explaining that. She went in full depth, so we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope it really helped. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Hit subscribe if you're new to this channel. Till next video guys, till tomorrow pretty much.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys later. Have a good day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace guys.